time is now. Hi everybody, welcome to Surprisingly Geeky.
I'm on Debit, and this is LunarDawn.
Hello.
And thanks for tuning in.
That must be the ship that
We're
was
playing some
once
Ratchet
above.
and Clank.
You think?
We're rather
Great
enjoying
work,
it.
detective.
I think I can get a skill point around here if I use my the thing that punches people.
Double tap the R1
Walper?
button to activate hover, and hold the L2 or R2 button to strafe from side to side.
What? What did she just say about my hover packy thingy?
This is the ability to scrape, I guess?
That? No. Where's the upgrade? Maybe I don't have the upgrade yet. Haha. What does it do though?
I think it opens the door.
There's a door?
Yeah, so,
Did I knock him out of there? Or this door here?
This door.
Ah.
This was kind of a fun puzzle.
It's not really a puzzle, but I get it. It's fun.
Skill challenge, maybe? More accurate.
It was different, and that made it fun. Ooh.
Did that instant kill you, or were you already low?
I have no idea. Hi there. Oh, she's gonna stand here and wait for this thing to move like it's an elevator.
Do you do any of this like wall jumpy stuff in any of the other Ratchet and Clank?
Yeah, I see them. I don't think I had to do that. It was already open. Ha. Okay. Ho-ho!
Excellent.
I'm awesome. You know what?
What?
I think I was just supposed to use this hookshot.
I think you didn't expect it to be that good, though.
Totally. Like, there's no way they'll be that good. Here's a cheat.
This flowing stuff looks like things.
Like Ninja Turtle is?
No, it comes from things.
But isn't that the pink?
Well, yeah, but look at the other colors.
Well, TCRA stuff is green.
I thought it was purple.
Pretty sure it's green.
Purple.
Did you picking it up?
Maybe. Not being very unhelpful.
Yeah.
And now I messed up the order.
Yeah, you have to figure out all 4 DVDs. It doesn't start with Rise of the Turtles.
Are you sure?
No.
What about Enter the Shredder?
I don't know, I'll say the second one or something. Ah! Oh no! I'm gonna die as soon as I let go! Aww.
Number 50.
Oh yay! They put me right back here. Oh, that would make sense. Very nice. Look at all the bullets go. The good things and they spewed money.
Good job. You made it.
You made it.
Oh, heck.
Is there a problem, sir?
Y'all wouldn't have any spare parts, would you?
Help yourself.
These dang rocks are too tough. I keep breaking my drill.
That rock is raritanium.
Let me look at that drill.
Well, shoot my dog and call me Sally. Thanks,
What?
partner.
Why?
No problem. I suppose I could take that rock off your hands, too.
Heck, here you go.
You obtained some Raritanium.
I have.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So rare that you can't obtain it.
No, it's raritanium. It's not unobtainium.
It's like the same thing.
No. They're 2 different iniums.
But they represent the same thing. Something that is so rare that you cannot obtain it. And you cannot obtain it because it's so rare. And therefore you have to wipe out a society of tree-dwelling, blue, hippie guys.
No, well, they were annoying anyway. I don't like them either.
I thought it was alright.
It's annoying. Yeah, it's kind of long. I guess I could go into deeper detail about it, but
You don't want to?
that's probably good. Let's go get the thingy. You know, that lets me rush the people.
Yeah, seriously. Oh, there's a
Hey,
new
cool,
thing.
it's the shield!
It's a shield?
Yeah! Yeah, you get like a bunch more hits for it. It's very awesome.
Oh, that's a nice
How much does it cost?
Not much, I guess 7,500 or something.
That's not much at all.
Hmm.
So we're gonna go get... Oh, okay. Hey guys.
Perfect! This is precisely what I need. You will bring me more raritanium.
You can't be serious.
Well, I tried.
Alright. That should be like a 10% discount or something.
Something,
That's cheap.
something physically doesn't matter.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we'll find out
My
exactly
goodness.
what does and does not matter
10 minutes already.
next time. And